Montana, and we are going to visit the Pictograph Caves. This is super cool. These are really, really old caves where humankind lived way back when. So we'll take some more photos and stuff, but look at that spectacular view. All right, here we are still at Pictograph. We're gonna head up to, that's one of the 3 caves we're gonna go see. It's huge. Go check it out.
Careful, there's a little bit of a slide.
Now we're off-roading. Over my breath.
How you doing down there? Oh, what was that?
No.
Did you make it?
I did.
Barely?
Barely.
Came from...
What is that in the air? Is that a plane? Way, way back there? Or a UFO? I think it's a UFO. Because I don't know what it is. That means it's an identified flying object.
It's an airplane. So the next little trail up here takes us into one of the caves, I believe. We're going to find out. Woohoo Wanda leading the way.
Danger. Rockfall.
Describe it. Woohoo Wanda. Mission possible.
Good. Oh, shade. Beautiful shade. Hot up there.
Very cool. On to the next cave.
Easy there.
I wasn't paying attention where my foot was falling.
She's brought me here to, well, that sign says danger, unstable rock, do not enter area. We just came out of an area